butterfly. Arjun, can we sing together, Arjun?
Yes.
Come on, Arjun. Get ready. Loud and clear. Okay? Fly, fly, butterfly.
Fly, butterfly in the
Roshan, come on. Do Roshan.
overall. Fly, 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 butterfly.
Very good, Arjun. Give a big round of clap for Arjun. Very good, Arjun. Super. Shiva, come on, Shiva. Okay. Why you didn't sing Fly, fly, butterfly? Okay. Now we are going to sing God's love. It's so wonderful with me. Okay. Ready, Shiva? Come on. God's love. Come on, Shiva. God's love. Shiva, you're not going to sing? Come on. Okay, I'll give you some time. Okay, you think about it and then I'll come back to you. Yuvan Sai, come on, let's sing you. God's love, so wonderful, Yuvan Sai. Yuvan Sai, come on. Join your hands. Please unmute. We'll sing together. Yuvan Sai, can you unmute? I'm not able to hear you. Oh, yeah, Yuvan Sai, go ahead. God's love. Yuvan Sai, we were not able to.
God's love.
Okay.
God's love.
It's
so wonderful.
God. Say, everybody sing.
God. God's love. It's so wonderful.
Oh, wonderful love.
Oh,
Wonderful love. It's so high. You can't get
wonderful.
over it.
Oh, hi. Lord, we can't it.
It's so deep. You can't get under it.
Oh, no. Can't get under it.
It's so wide.
Wonderful.
You can't get around it.
Over it.
Oh, wonderful
Around.
love. Oh, wonderful love. Very good, Yuvan Sai. Good job. Okay, Arav is going to sing along with me again. God's love. Come on, Arav. Please unmute. Only Arav, not Akshat. Okay, only Arav. Come on.
God's love. It's so wonderful. Oh.
Okay, let him sing. It's okay. Okay. Sing. God's
love. It's so wonderful. Oh. Wonderful love. It's so high. You can't get under it. Deep. Oh. Wonderful love.
so wide.
Wide. You can't get around it. Oh. Wonderful love. So deep. You can't get under it.
Okay.
Wonderful love.
Thank you, Arav. Give a big round of applause for them. Very good. Everybody clap for them. Izan, come Izan. We're going to sing Inchi Vinci Spider. Okay? Izan and Kumara Guruparan. Wait, Izan. Wait. Izan, Kumara Guruparan and Radha ma'am. Okay, we are going to unmute. Others all going to stay on mute and sing with us. Okay? Ready, Izan? Kumara Guruparan, ready? Come on. Inci Spider.
Want to spider out.
Lekshita, please unmute Lekshita. Please be on mute, Lekshita. The spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sun and dried up all the rain. So Inci Vinci Spider went up the spout again. Very good. Give a big little clap for Kumara Guruparan and Izan. Very good. Clap. Friends, you have to cheer up your friends. Kavin. Okay, Kavin and Niveen Surya are going to sing with me. Okay? You know ABCD rhyme? Kavin, you know ABCD rhyme?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Niveen Surya, do you know ABCD? on, sing. A, B, C, D.
E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R,
R, S, T,
U,
U. X, Y, Z. Sugar on the bed. Then, if you don't like it, better go to bed. Next day morning, come to me. I will teach you. Yeah, very good, Nivin, Surya, and Kavin. Good job. Everybody give a big round of clap for them. Very good. Okay. So now we'll start with the activity. First, what shall we do? Shall we play with the ball? Everybody ready with the ball? Ready with the ball? Take out your ball. Okay. So if your parents are there, and they are free, you can throw the ball to them and catch it from them. Okay. If they are at work, don't disturb them. You're going to play with me. Okay. I don't have my parents with me. I'm going to throw the ball and catch it. Okay. So if your parents are there, you can throw the ball, get a catch from them. If not, you're going to play with ma'am. Okay. Ready, children? See. Listen. One rule. What you should do, you should not, yes, please listen first. You should not put the ball down. Okay. The ball you throw should come to your hand straight. Okay. I want everybody to count 5 and then catch the ball. Everybody doing together. Okay. We are going to do it together. Shiva, get your ball. Yes, Nivin Surya is ready with the ball. Kaushik, are you ready with the ball? Yes, thank you, Kavin. Kavin and Kavin's sister, yes. Shiva, go grab your ball and come. Arjun is ready. Jayakrish is ready. Grithvik is ready. Arvakshit is ready. Adya is ready. Lisha is ready. Kaushik is ready. Roshan is ready. Lekshita, what about you? Lekshita, you got a ball?
A ball.
Sorry,
I don't have ball.
No problem. Do you have anything? You can get a paper. You can grab a paper and crush it. See, if you have a paper, crush it, throw it like this and catch it. Okay. Or you can get anything, any toy you have, small toy, soft toy. Do you have a kerchief like this? Lekshita, look at me. Do you have a towel or kerchief like this? Lunch towel or face towel? If you have this, get help from your parents, roll it, you can throw this and catch like this. Okay? Go and get it and come. Okay, about others, yes. Okay, Shiva is ready, Izan is ready. Okay, shall we start now? Ready, children? I am ready with my ball. Okay, so your parents are there, you're going to play with them. Throw the ball to them, catch. We're going to count only 5. If anybody misses it, I'm seeing that. You should not lie. Let me see how many of you are playing without putting the ball down. Okay? Okay. Let me see everybody first. Okay, is having, Jayakrish is having, Kavan is having. What about Mahasan is having? He's already started playing. Okay. Dayanand is ready. Lekshita, she said she'll get back. Shravan is ready. Yes. Nivin Surya was ready. I already saw. Kumaragopam was ready. Lakshraj is ready. Lakshraj, I'm just seeing you, Lakshraj. Good evening, Lakshraj.
Ready, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Lakshraj. I just happened to see you. Okay. Okay, ready, children? I'm going to count. You're going to start. Okay. So, how many of you are going to play with parents, and how many of you are going to play with your parents? Raise your hand. Let me see. Okay. How many of you are going to play with Radha ma'am? Like me. Okay. Shall we start now? Ready? I'm going to start. Get, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. How many of you caught all the balls? balls. I didn't miss the ball. How many of you didn't miss the ball? Raise your hand. Let me see. I didn't miss the ball, so I'm going to raise my hand. Okay. How many of you didn't miss the ball? Raise your hand. Okay. Arav Akshat. Yes, Lakshita. I saw that. Very good, Lakshita. You played. You got something to play, Lakshita. You got? Good. Nice to see that. I'm happy. Okay. Okay. Yes. How many of you didn't miss the ball? Izan, the activity is over. Can you keep the ball down and listen to me? Come back to the class. You can play later if the class is over. Okay, so many of you didn't miss the ball. Okay, what about, I'm going to see the people who are down there. Jay Krish, you missed the ball or you got it? You caught all the 5 balls?
Got it, ma'am.
Okay. What about, I saw him. Yeah. Mahaswin, what about you, Mahaswin? You caught all the 5 balls? You played with your parent? You missed a ball or you caught all the balls?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So last time what we are going to do is, everybody is going to do it alone like me. Okay. When I say throw, you're going to throw. When I say catch, you're going to catch. Quickly. One time. Last one time. Ready, children? I want to see nobody should miss the catch. Get ready. No jumping. Have the ball like this. Show me like this. See, I'm showing you. Yes. Roshni, is that a ball? Okay, no problem. Soft tie. Okay, no problem. Yeah, ready? Show me like this. Last one time we are going to throw and catch it. Ready, children? Lakshraj, ready? Come on, grab your ball, Lakshraj. Show it me like this. Show it to me like this. Yes. Shiva, come on. Show me. Yes, Lisha, come on, grab it. Ready? Wait. Get. Set. Go. Okay. Yes, most of you caught it. Yeah, I saw. Good, children. Come on, keep the ball down and come back. We are done with this activity. Once, see, I'm having the ball. I'm done with the activity. I'm keeping it down. I'm not going to take it anymore. Keep it down. We'll play after the class is over. Did you all like this activity? Did you all like it? How many of you liked it? I liked it. Yes. Thank you, Lakshra. Yes, of course I liked it. Yes, Grithvik. Good. Nivin Surya, Izan, good. Okay. So quickly what we are going to do is we are going to learn something new. Okay, I'm going to show you a picture and before that I'll show you. Okay. You all see this? I got a rabbit. I got one rabbit. Okay. And I had one more. Let me grab a toy. Just give me a minute. Okay, so I'm back. So what we are going to learn is we are going to learn 4 words today. How many words? 4 words. Okay. This, open your mouth and say this, that, these, those. I repeat, you're going to open your mouth and say with me. Okay, we're going to learn 4 words. This, that, these, those. Okay. First I'm going to show you a picture and then I'll show all this. Okay. So let's go back and see the picture. Sit straight, Roshan. Look here. Okay. So do you all see my screen now? Okay, I'll go back and check. You all see my screen? Anybody show me thumbs up so that I'll find out. Are you able to see my screen? Yes, thank you. Okay. So the first picture, okay. I'm going to ask Adya. What is this, Adya?
Apple.
Apple. So when something which is near you, okay, when something which is closer to you can touch it, then you will say this. What you will say?
This.
This. And if it is only, how many apples are there, Adya?
1.
1. So if you have only one thing and you can touch it, which is very near to you, then you will say this. What you will say, Adya?
This.
T
T
H
H
I
I
yes.
yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So this. So you are all in front of a computer or a mobile, right? Yes. You all can touch it. How many are having? Yes. How many are having, Adya? Only one or two?
One.
Yeah. When you have only one object and you can touch it, then you say it is near to you. Then you say this. What you will say?
This.
This. Thank you. Okay. I'm going to
என்னது
call.
அமைதியா
I'm going to
நீ
call
செய்யற
Lakshita.
நீ
Others, please stay on mute. Lakshita ji. Lakshita, how many apples are here? One. Can you see me, Lakshita ji? Lakshita ji, can you please unmute and see me? Can you see me? What about others? Lakshita ji, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah, can. I was asking to unmute. Okay. See, how many apples are here, Lakshita?
One, two, three.
Yeah, very good. We have 3 apples. And are these apples near my hand?
Yes.
Yes. So when you have more than one, you have many and they are near to you, then you say these apples. What you will say? These apples. What you will say?
This.
These
This.
apples. Okay.
Apple.
T H
E
E
H E
S E. These.
These.
Yeah, when you have more than one thing and which is near to you, then you say these. What do you say?
These.
These. So as Adya said, when you have one thing near you and it is only one, then you will say this. Okay. Something which is near you, you can touch it, but you have many, then you will say these. Okay. Now I'm going to call Jay Krish. Yeah, Jay Krish. See, the apple is near this hand or far away?
400, ma'am.
Far away. Yeah, see, the hand is here. The apple is far away. So when how many apples are here, Jay Krish?
Only one.
Only one. So there is only one apple, but that is far away. Then you say
Far away.
that. What you will say?
That.
That apple. Okay. You will not say
That.
this. Yeah. Only when you are able to touch and it is near you and it is one, you will say this. There is one apple which is far away and you cannot touch it. Then you will say that. What you will say?
That.
That. T
H
T.
T
H H A
A.
T.
T.
That.
That.
Yes, thank you. Then I'm going to call Dayanand. Can you please unmute Dayanand? Help me.
Yes,
Thank you, Dayanand. See, Dayanand, how many apples are here, Dayanand? Only one? How many apples? No. How many are there? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 apples. Yes, my hand is here. Are this apple near me or far away? Far away. So you should say those apples. What you should say? T. Yes. T. H. O. S. E. Those. Thank you, Dayanand. Okay, now I'm going to call Shravan. Shravan, I have you unmute. Have you done? Shravan. Lekshita, please stay on mute, dear. I'll call you. Okay. Thank you. Yes, Shravan, have you? Yeah, Shravan. Shravan, you're going to read with me. Okay. We'll revise. So everybody look on the screen. Shravan, if there is only one apple and it is near to you, you should say this. What you should say, Shravan? This.
This.
Yes. There is any one thing, one object, one pencil, one eraser, or one scale, or one box, or one computer, or one mobile. Anything is only one and it is closer to you, very near to you. You can touch it. Then you should say it as this. What you should say, Shravan?
This.
This. There is only one thing, but it's far away from you. Okay. See, this apple is far away. Then you should say that. What you should say? That. Okay. Then I'm going to call Sai Charan. Thank you, Shravan. Others, only if you listen, you will get chance. If those are not listening, I will not call your name at all. Yes, Sai Charan. See, there are many apples.
Yes.
And it is near my hand. So you should say these. What you should say?
These.
When there are many things, many objects. See, if you have, say, if you, sometimes you open your crayon box, okay, you will have many crayons, and the crayons are near to you. You should say these are crayons. What you should say?
These are crayons.
Yeah, when the crayons box is far away from you, okay, when the crayon box is far away from you, you will have many colors in the crayon box, right? When you have many crayons in the crayon box and the box is far away from you, then you should say those crayons. What you should say?
Those crayons.
Yeah, so I'm going to show you one more picture, children. Thank you, Sai Charan. Okay, whom shall I call? I'm going to call Lekshita S.
Ma'am?
Yeah, Lekshita. Come, you're going to help me. Okay, Lekshita?
Okay, ma'am.
See, this is Lekshita. She's looking cute like you. Okay? So, Lekshita is showing an apple. How many apples is there, Lekshita?
One apple.
One apple. And it is near to her, right?
Yes.
So, we should say, this is an apple. What you should say?
Apple.
This
This
is
is
an
an
apple.
apple.
Okay, Lekshita. Now I'm going to call. Let me see who is listening. Only those who are listening, I'm going to call.
Mute.
Yeah, please, Lekshita, please mute. Arjun.
Ma'am?
Yes, Arjun. See, look at my picture, Arjun.
Yes.
See, the girl is showing the apple. Is the apple nearby or far away?
Far away.
So you should not say this. What you should say? That. What you should say? That.
This
Is an
and
apple.
apple.
Okay, thank you, Arjun. Okay, next I'm going to call Varnika. Hi, Varnika. I just happened to see you. Good evening, Varnika. How are you?
I'm fine.
Beautiful dress you have got today. What happened? What is any function at home? Yes? No? Okay. So you're going to read with me, Varnika? Yes? Okay. See, the girl is showing. What is the girl showing?
Crayons.
Crayons. Okay. So there are many crayons. Yes? 1, 2, 3, 4 crayons are there. Right? Are the crayons near? Yes. Are they near to the girl or far away from the girl?
Yes.
Near. So you should say these. What you should say? These are crayons. What you should say?
These are crayons.
Thank you, Varnika. Very good. Okay, I'm going to call Kaushik.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Kaushik. The last picture, see the girl is showing the crayons. There are many crayons and the crayons near or far away?
Far away.
Far away. So you should say those. What did you say?
Door.
Those are crayons.
Door are crayons.
Yes. Thank you so much, Kaushik.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, I'm going to stop sharing. So you're all going to see me. I'll give you a clue to how to learn. Okay. So whenever there is only one thing, listen, Arjun, come on, listen here. And it is near to you, you should say this. Show the hands like this. This. Open your mouth and say this. Okay. With one hand, this. That means only one thing, this. That. Show far away. That. Izan, come on, Izan. Don't feel sleepy, Izan. That Izan is sleeping because he is far away from me. Okay. Then with both hands, these. See, I'm showing all my fingers. That means many, and it is near to me. These. Those. See, I'm showing my hand. Those. We'll do it again. I'm going to say, and you're going to do along with me. Okay, let me try. Okay. This. Show me here. Kavin, where are you? I think he has gone. This. Nivin Surya, come on, Nivin Surya. This. That. These. Those. This. Fast. This. That. These. Those. Okay. Quickly, I'm not going to do action. I'm going to say, you're going to do. Ready, children? Show me thumbs up. Dayanand, ready, Dayanand? Yes, Dayanand.
It's very windy here.
Oh, it's rainy there in Madurai.
No, not windy.
Windy. Okay, Dayanand. Okay. This. Show me this. How will you show this? This. Aravakshat, come on. This. Show me this. That. Which is far away. These. Many near me. These. Those. Okay. Very good, children. So you all understood these, those, this, that? Yes. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll quickly revise. Before that, we'll quickly do the folding. Okay. Are you all ready with your lunch towel or the face towel or the small kerchief, whatever you have? I'm ready with this. I've got the small towel. Yes. So why we are learning this? Anybody wants to say why we are learning this? Anybody who knows, raise your hand. Okay, Isan, tell me, why are we learning this? Folding the towel. Cat will do. Okay. Yes. Yeah, towel. Okay. Why are we learning this? Why should we learn this? Saichan, you are ready, Saichan? With a kerchief or lunch towel, whatever you have, yes. Izan, please stay on mute, Izan.
To make the cat.
Okay, not for making the cat. Not for cat. Cat will make with the paper. This I don't know how to. We can make a cat with this, but we are not going to do that. Okay, we are going to learn how to fold the towel. Okay, or the kerchief. See, during you are at home, right? So whenever you are free, you are going to help your mom how to fold the small towel or kerchief. And when you come to school, you will have lunch towel, right? You will bring your lunch towel. So daily you should pack your lunch towel. Okay, when you come back to school. Ready, children? So ma'am is having the lunch towel, so I am holding like this. You also hold like this. Yes. So now what we should do, you have two corners. Close this, close this. Let me see how many of you already know. Close it, close like this. Close like this. Done. Okay, you can keep it down and do. You can keep it down and do. No problem. I am also going to keep it down so that it will be easy for me to. Let me see how many of you already know and how many of you going to look at ma'am and do. How many of you know already how to fold a towel?
Yes, my towel is ready.
Ready? Very good, Shiva. Yes, your towel is of course ready. Very nice. See, ma'am is going to do now. I have got this. Okay, I'm having this. Then I'm going to what? I'm going to fold it again like this.
I finished, ma'am.
Somebody finished. I'm going to come back and see. Okay, let me see. Just give me a minute. Then fold it like this. If you want one more, fold. So what did we do? What action did we do? Fold. What did we do? Fold. This is called fold. It's an action word. What it is? Action word. Fold. Folding. This is towel. When you do like this, we are folding. Folding. It's an action word. Folding. So open your mouth and say, Izan, did you do Izan? Show me a folded towel. Lisha, come on, Lisha. Keep it down and do slowly. Hold the corners. Fold it. Folding. Open your mouth and say folding. Yes, Grithvik. Good. Yes, Shiva. Good. Yes, Aramakshat. Good. Yes, Saicharan. Don't say finish. I'm coming to see you. Yes. Folding. Izan, please stay on mute, Izan. Yes, Shravan. Good, Shravan. Folding. You should all say folding. We are going to learn the word folding. That's why we are mainly making this folding. Say folding. Folding. This is called folding. Okay. See, if I have the towel like this, okay. Is this folding? No. It's crushing. Okay. When you do properly like this, then only it's folding. Okay. I'm going to come each way. Yes, Grithvik. I saw. For those who I saw, you can keep it down. Okay. I'm going to come one by one. Give me a second. I'm going to come one by one. I'll see everybody's. Don't worry. Yes, Jay Krish, show me. Can you make one more fold, Jay Krish? Say folding. Okay. Don't unmute. Say folding. Okay. Folding. Yes, Kavin. Come on. Keep doing, Kavin. Fold it and show me. What about Mahaswin? Have you folded, Mahaswin? You have to do, Mahaswin. Where is your towel? You have to do folding. Yes. Fold it, fold it. Keep it down and fold it. Fold it once more. You should fold. Let it be whatever it was. Let it be. Don't get help. You should fold. Yes, Dayanand. Good. I saw yours. Lekshita, can you show a little bit down? Have you folded?
இந்த சைடு இப்படி கரெக்ட்.
Jayakrish did. Yes, wonderful, Jayakrish. So you learned how to fold the towel. Very good. Folding.
Folding.
Yes, Shravan, I saw you, Shravan. Good. Nivin Surya, can you show me, Nivin Surya? Sit down properly and then show me. No lying down. Sit properly. Sit properly. Sit down. Fold it one more. Fold it one more fold. Yes, Roshan. Can you open your mouth and show me that towel? Yes, Roshan. Good. Kumara Guruparan, show me Kumara Guruparan.
Ma'am.
I'll come to each one of you. Yes, Kumara Guruparan. Very good. Very good. Lakshraj, can you show me? Good, Lakshraj. You learned folding? Folding. Yes, Satvik. Come on.
Folding.
Satvik, show me. Nice, Satvik. Shiva doing it one more time. I think he's doing it one more time. Let him do. I saw already he has done it. Okay, Izan, what about you? Come on, fold. Your friends have already folded. Ma'am has also folded. See? Ma'am also finished folding. One more fold. Do one more fold.
One more fold.
One
karo.
more fold. Okay,
Fold it.
Izan.
So fold.
Fold it one more.
Ah, very good.
Very good. Yes, Yuvan Sai, come on, show me Yuvan Sai. I'm trying to see you. Keep folding. Why you didn't fold? See Yuvan Sai. Fold it. Close, close, close. Like this, fold. Keep it down and do slowly, okay? Ritvik, I saw. Yes, very good, Yuvan Sai. Yeah, okay, Adya, I saw. Adya is so happy today. Yes, Adya with a strawberry. Okay, you can do one more fold, Adya. Try. Yes, Lisha, come on, Lisha. Nice, Lisha. Very good. So you're going to help your mother for folding? Yes. No. Why are you? What happened, Lisha? Why are you sad today? Why are you sad today? Please unmute and talk to me. What happened? You're not well? You happy?
Little sleepy.
Okay. Okay, Lisha. Hi, Kaushik. Show me, Kaushik. Come on, Kaushik. You did the folding? Good, Kaushik.
Thank you.
Sai Chiran, show me, Sai Chiran. Very good, Sai Chiran. Good. Varnika, come on, show me, Varnika. You folded it, Varnika? Very good, Varnika. So nice. You got the same blue like me? Same pinch. Yes, Varnika. Arjun, dear Arjun, come on. Very good, Arjun. You folded it? Folding. You learned folding today? Yes, Arjun, shake your heads. Arjun is so happy singing some rhyme. Okay, Lakshita ji, what about you, Lakshita? Lakshita ji? Where is your towel? Folded one. Yeah, nice. You folded it?
Yeah.
Very nice. Very good. Aravakshat, come on. Show me Aravakshat. Good. Superb. You're showing me with the demo. Okay. Good, Aravakshat. Superb. Okay. So everybody did folding. I did too. Okay. Now let's keep this down. We have done our folding. So you helped your mother in folding this towel or kerchief you had today. Keep it aside. Keep it aside. I kept, see, I had it. I kept it aside. I kept it down. You also keep it aside now. Don't throw it. Keep it aside. Please don't throw it, children. You folded it with so much care. You cannot throw it like that. Okay, keep it down. Okay, so for those who had not done the cat, okay, I'll show it now. If those who have not done, take your square paper. Others, those who have already done, you can write this, that, those in your rough note. Okay, I'll show you the picture. Give me a minute. Okay, I'll give you the spelling. Those who have not done this cat, anybody has got this today? We'll do the activity. If not, we'll go on to the next one. Who has not done it already? Even so, you were waiting for this. I did this activity mainly for you. You had the square paper last week, right? And you didn't do. Did you have it today? Yeah, I came. This is actually mainly for you. Yes, you and Sai. Ready? You got the square? Okay. Square, fold it like a triangle like this. See, I have the square. I had the square paper. I am just folding it like this. Done. Very good. Now what you do, you have the flat one here. So I'm turning like this, and then see, I am folding like this. See, I'll show you how I'm doing. See, I'm having like this. Like you, I'm having triangle. So what I'm doing is straight center. I am folding like this. This one. You will have a flat one. In that middle, I'm folding like this. The other one.
Can you show from start?
Yeah, sure. I have a square paper. Okay. So what I'm doing is I'm just folding it like a triangle. Square paper. Square paper. I'm just folding it like a triangle. So I got a triangle now. So you will have three sides, 1, 2, 3 for the triangle, right? The top tip, you leave the tip. The flat one, you will have the line here, flat one. I'm just folding, I'm just turning like this so that I'll have like this. See? So I have this side and I'm just folding it like this. I'm just taking the middle one of this flat line. See, you have the straight line here, right? The straight line, I'm taking the middle and then folding this right hand side to this way, and I'll have like this. So left hand side I'm folding to the center, so it will be like this. When I fold this one, I'm folding like this and like this, like V. You will get a V in the middle. You got it, even side? You're getting help from your mother? Show me what you're having. I'll help you. Show me what you're having. You got it. Okay, you should do. You should do. You can get help from your mother, but you should do. You should do creasing like this. Yes. Very good. So you got like me. Then you have like this top and touch this and show me. Even so, you have like this, touch this and show me the top one. Top one. I'm touching, see. That one, fold it like this. You will have two papers there. You see two papers? Fold it like this. Fold it. See? Fold it. We did folding now, right? Folding the towel. Fold the paper also like that. Yeah, now if you turn, see, even side, turn around the cat. Turn around the cat, you will have like this flat, like this. Yes, here you draw eyes. Here you draw. The one you're showing me, don't eat. Draw eyes and then mustache. I'll draw the paper. See, I have white paper like you. Let me draw and show you. See, I have got white paper like you. So I have like this, right? So what I'm doing, I'm drawing circle. Even say you do whatever you know, okay? Do it on your own. Draw one more circle. Get a pencil or sketch pen, black sketch, whatever you have. Draw two circles. Are you able to see? And then a small shading like this. Eyes. Finished, even side? You drew the eyes? Yes. Okay. So then what we should draw? Mustache. We're going to draw mustache. What is mustache? This one here above the mouth. Yes, we are going to draw that. See, like this. This is mustache. I'm going to draw that. Okay. Okay, I'm going to show you. See, how will I draw mustache? First, put a small circle. You guys seeing me? Put a small circle. Even side, you can see me if you want. Then put like this and like this. Like two U's. Like this and like that. Then put slanting line like this. Slanting line, slanting line, slanting line. Put a small circle and then U like this. And then slanting line. Up, middle, down. You want me to repeat? Shivansa, you got it? What about others? I'll check back others and come back. You got it, Shivansa? Very good. I think you've got a black sketch pen. Anybody? Yes, Lakshraj. Very nice. Superb. Okay. Yeah, Lakshraj. Yes, Shiva. Good. You're welcome. Yes, Kaushik. Yes, Adya. Good. It looks nice, Shivansa. Let me pin you and check. Good. Very nice. You did it on your own. Good. Yes, Arav Akshad. Good. Okay. I think the folding is little different there. Can you show me? Arav or Akshat, somebody? Yeah. See what? No. At the top, did you fold it like this? See, the ears should be here, like this. See, you fold it the right way. The other side you should draw the.
See the cat.
The other side you should draw the eyes. I think it's the inverse way. Just check, no?
I see the cat.
Yes, I saw it, Shiva. It was very nice. The first one I saw was yours. It's nice, Shiva. Yes, Izan. Show me, Izan. Show me a cat. Meow. Wow. You should draw. You should not get help from anybody, Izan. Okay? Then Mio will not come to you. You should draw on your own. Let it be whatever you draw. You should draw on your own. Okay, Izan. Yes, Kaushik. Good, Kaushik. Sai Chiran, you already did it. Yes, Arjun. Show me. Meow. Good, Arjun. Nice. Yes, Nivin Surya. Good. Kaushik, good. I saw. Kavin, show me, Kavin.
My cat.
Okay, I'm going to see. Lakshita, where are you? Lakshita S. You're doing? You're coloring. Okay. Okay. Dayanand, you already did it, Dayanand, right? You already had the cat. I saw. I think you sent it once. Okay, you have done it. Okay, again. Okay, Roshan. Nice, Roshan. Good. Satvik. Nice, Satvik. Nice drawing. The mustache is nice. Can you draw a little bigger mustache? Very nice, Satvik. Who is that, ma'am? I'm coming to you. Yes, Varnika. Show me, Varnika. Nice, Varnika. The mustache is such thick one. Very nice, Varnika. Okay, what about? Yes, who is that, ma'am? Yes, Arav Akshat, show me. Yeah, perfect. Good. Nice mustache and eyes. See, it's showing big eyes like this, staring at you. Nice. Okay. Good, Ritwik. Okay. You drew it?
Thank you.
Children, you should draw on your own. Okay. Yes, Kumara Guruparan. Where are you, Kumara Guruparan? No, I think he has gone. Okay. Okay. So we have done with this. Everybody did the cat. Anybody still didn't do? I saw everybody's. Yeah. Thank you, Ritwik. You can color the cat later if you want to later. Okay. So before you wind up the call, I just want to do. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Who is that, ma'am? Yes, Lisha. Very nice, Lisha. What sound will the cat make?
What sound? That is what sound?
It's calling Lisha. Meow, Lisha, meow, Lisha. It's going to call you like that. No? Yes? Okay. So can you all, yeah. Okay, Lakshita. It looks good, Lakshita ji. Good. Okay. Children, you can color the cats later if you want to. Arav actually saw that. It's nice. You changed it now. Yes. So can you all keep the cats down? Can you all keep it down? Down. We are not going to use it anymore. Thank you so much. Yeah, you can keep it down.
Mom.
Yes. Who is that, ma'am? Yeah, who is that? Yeah, Lakshita, show me. Okay, you've drawn it. Nice, Lakshita. Good. Nice mustache. Good, Lakshita. You can keep it down. Good.
Okay.
Okay. So before we wind up today, I'm going to do a quick recap of. Yes, Varnika, it looks good. Pretty good. Very good. Keep it down. We're going to do a quick recap of. Yeah, that's So nice. Thank you for reminding it, Adya. I just totally forgot because of these activities. Yeah, we start with Adya,
Here I am, ma'am.
Arav,
Here I am.
Akshat,
Here I am.
Arjun,
Here I am.
Dayanand,
Here I am.
Gautam. Gautam didn't join us. Okay. Grithvik,
Here I am.
Jayakrish.
Here I am.
Thank you. Kaushik,
Here I am.
Avan,
Here I am.
Kumara Guruparan. I saw Kumara Guruparan. I think they have left in the middle. Lakshita ji,
Here I am, ma'am.
Lakshraj,
Here I am.
Here I am.
Lisha,
Here I am.
Lakshita S,
Here I am.
Satvik,
Here I am.
Nivin Surya, I saw Nivin Surya. Okay. Roshan,
Here I am.
Mahaswan,
Here I am, ma'am.
Ryan did join. Okay. Ryan, have you joined in the middle, Ryan? No. Okay. Sai Charan,
Here I am.
Izan,
Yay!
Izan, Izan, can you say here I am? Okay. Izan is there. Shiva, Shravan, Shiva, here I am. Wake up. You can 5 minutes later. Please say here I am. Okay. Shiva, Shravan. Thank you, Shravan. Varnika and Yuvan Sai. Thank you for reminding children. Thank you so much. Thank you for reminding Adya. Okay. So quickly we learn internal and external body parts. We already learned. Remember? We'll just quickly revise. Okay. We'll quickly revise that. I'm going to show you the picture and we'll just end up. Okay. Okay, we learnt about internal organs and external organs. Can anybody remember that and tell me who all remember? Let me see. How many of you remember internal, external organs I taught you? Long back I taught you. Okay, Lakshya doesn't remember. Okay, Shiva, can you tell me, Shiva, what are internal organs? Shiva.
Say.
Lungs. Kidney.
Okay, very good. Good.
Brain. Kidney.
Very good.
Brain.
Okay.
Lungs.
Okay.
Heart.
Very good, Shiva. Thank you so much. Give a big round of clap for Shiva. Immediately he raised the hand and he gave up the answer. Very good. Yes, Sai Charan. Tell me, Sai Charan, what all do you remember about internal and external organs? Go ahead.
Kidney. Tongue.
Tongue. Okay.
That's all, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Anybody who remembers that, raise your hand. Internal, external organs. Yeah, Akshat remembers that. Yeah, tell me. Akshat, first Akshat, then Arav. Akshat, tell me.
Heart.
Okay.
Brain.
Okay.
Kidney.
Okay.
Heart. Kidney.
Heart, kidney, brain.
Thyroid.
Okay. No thyroid, okay. Where did you learn this thyroid from, okay? That's not the right answer.
Liver.
Okay.
Liver.
Liver, perfect, yes. And lungs. For breathing. Yes, very good. So, before we get on to all those, what are internal organs? Those which are inside our body and we cannot see them with the eyes. Yes, internal organs are Inside our body, external organs are... Roshan, can you keep the toy down? We are in the class. I don't want anybody to play with the toys in the class. Please keep it aside. I will not proceed. Please keep it aside. Good boy, Roshan. You can take it after the class will over in 5 minutes. You can take it later, okay? Internal organs are inside the body and you cannot see. External organs are out. You can see. I can see my hand, right? When I look in the mirror, I can see my eyes. I can see my nose. Can I see my heart? No, it is inside. So internal organs are, I'll just go ahead and recall. Lungs for breathing. Liver, I told you one, you remember? Liver is the largest internal organ in our body. What it will do? When we eat junk foods, our blood will become dirty and will not be clean. This liver will clean our blood. Okay, so it is the largest internal organ. Kidneys, we have how many kidneys? 2 kidneys. Stomach, the food what we eat, the mouth goes through the throat and then goes to the stomach. There is a pipe here. Okay, you will learn that all later in big classes. There is a pipe here and then goes to our stomach. Brain here. Heart. How will our heart beat? How will our heart beat? Dabba, 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 dabba. How it will beat? Lap, tap. So at least today I want everybody to listen to your parents' heartbeat. You will, after the call is over, keep your ears closer to your parents' heart and you will hear lap, tap. Okay, you're all going to hear that. So internal organs are heart, lungs. Say along with me, heart. Mahaswin, come on, Mahaswin and Roshan. Lakshaj, open your ears. Take the hand out. Heart, lungs. Lisha, come on. Brain, kidney, and liver. Okay, these are all inside our body and which are all outside. Eyes, ears, nose, hands, legs. All these are external organs. Okay, children. So that's all we have to today. So what did we all learn today? We'll just do a quick recap. We sang rhymes, what we have learned so far. We learned new things, 4 words. This, that, these, and those. We learned 4 words starting with T. And then we learned folding. We learned a new word, folding, action word, folding. Okay. And then we did this cat. We played with the ball. We did the ball activity. And then we recalled internal organs. Okay. So we'll send you the culmination worksheet. We'll do one worksheet every day. Okay. And we'll have it the activity of family activity on Wednesday. So you'll have time tomorrow whole and today for preparing. So Wednesday we'll have the family day. Okay. So on Wednesday, I want you all to dress up like any of your family members. Like you also. You can dress up like you yourself. And then come and say, I am like this, my name, I am how many years old, what do you like? Any 2 or 3 sentences. Okay, so you can dress up like I repeat for those who joined later. Wednesday we have the family day. Okay, so you're going to dress up like any of your family members. Let it be grandfather, grandmother, brother, sister, father, mother, or yourself. Okay, you don't have to run behind any clothes or dressing. Whatever you have at home, even if you didn't get, dress up like yourself and talk about you. Okay, and so 2 or 3 sentences, whatever you feel. So it's up to your imagination. I will leave it to you. So we'll have the family day on Wednesday. Is it okay? So that you will have time to prepare. Okay, children. Show me thumbs up. Okay. Thank you so much. Take care. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye.